How to enable or disable read receipts in Google Messages. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. So first, let's open the Google Messages app. Once you open the Google Messages app, on the top right you'll find a profile icon. You click on your top right profile icon, and then here you'll find multiple options, but you have to only choose message settings. Once you click on message settings, you will find multiple options here too, but you have to click on RCS chats or general chats. And once you click on that, here you will find send read receipts. Right now it's enabled. You can disable it and then you can enable it again, but make sure to remember that once you disable it, you will not be able to read their receipts too. When they send a message key, have they seen it, and they'll also not be able to see key, has he read it or no. So once you enable, you'll be able to see their read receipts and they'll be able to see your read receipt. So it goes both ways. It will go both ways. And if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.